This is Islamabad, front of the Women March, Earth March, held it. This protest here. Farzanabad is one activist and
आपने कहना है कि सुबह हम इसे आए साहिल खानी साथ की मैंने थोड़ा सा जी शाह जी
रहेंगे और यही फ़र्क है हम में और इनमें कि ये सिर्फ
माशाल्लाह जो है वो हमें देखने को मिल रहा है। आप लोगों को गुजारे राय आज़ादी छीन ली है। आप लोगों को मार दिया और ये कहें
look, the homework is all of work. So how do you find in eastern side this is the easy way?
No, it's not going to be easy, obviously, but since now both men and women go to offices and they have work, and when they come back, both of them are tired and equally drained. So I think that they should do this together, and then obviously it would be better, and then their children would know about the responsibilities as well. And it would just
What do you
be a
think?
good environment.
What do you think? Working women, if do this work, how they cover their children and how they look after their work? It is possible.
That's the thing. The caretaking of the children is not only their responsibility, and just like that, working or taking care of the children, it should be a divided responsibility between both the partners equally. So if all the things will be expected from one partner, then obviously things will not work out.
Are you working women, working girls?
Yes, I'm actually a student, and yes, I do have a job as well.
Okay. What's your name?
Fizza.
Tell us, what kind of freedom they make a protest? What kind of freedom in Eastern society for the women they demand?
When we talk about freedom, we talk about cerebral. When we talk about equality, we talk about cerebral equality. That if a man can do a job, for example, if man can be an engineer, women can also be an engineer. If a man at the age of 50 can drive a car with his kids, then they should be also.
But this is the woman is driving the car also in Pakistan.
But it's rare. It's rare. I study in a Kaizen University. When I go out on a hearse, I see majority of male there. No women even in the biggest university in Pakistan. So
No,
it's
you
a
wear
shame.
just if you look your side, no, you wear a pant shirt and there is no restricted for you, and then friend she's also have a pant and shirts, and you also wear the pant and shirts, so there is no restricted for you. So what kind of freedom after all what kind of freedom you want?
So actually we cannot wear it in our area. we cannot wear it in our area. For example, if we go to South Punjab, we have like we can wear it in Islamabad.
No,
but we cannot wear it in
I'm
our
not
area.
agree with you because in Lahore, there are a lot more jeans and pants. The females are there. So how can you say that?
I got your point. But whole Pakistan doesn't consist of Islamabad, Rawalpindi, and Lahore. There are other areas.
And Karachi,
Look at the-
they are from the Karachi, but they said she is from the
But these are
Balochistan.
the 4 big cities. So we cannot say that women can wear pant shirts in Islamabad and in big cities. That it means that we have freedom. They would not have. Majority of females wear pant shirts in Islamabad, but their parents even don't know. If their parents got to know that they wear pant shirts, they will not allow it. They can also do honor killing as well.
But this is the wish of your mother and sister and your father. So that's why she don't aware now. So government is not restricted to you. Government is allowed you. Government not restricted to you, but this is your parents.
Yes, government don't allow, but the major politicians in Pakistan like Imran Khan on TV say that men are not revolt. That's why they do rape to women. This kind of freedom, this kind of things that they do on social media. So we cannot say that women have freedoms. A few, small sector of women in Pakistan have freedom. Not all. Go look at Pashtun women. Go look at women in Balochistan. Go look at women in South Punjab. They are living in worse conditions. They don't have any right. Any.
Okay, thank you.
तुम्हें पता है कि किसने